Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 different types of ways to make a filling for your pita. The first one is Krompirusa. I cut up the potatoes into cube size pieces. I put oil, pepper, garlic powder, a little bit of paprika, salt, and if I had vegeta, I would have put vegeta, but I didn't have any. And I'm just gonna mix it all up. It's very simple, very easy. And then I also like to add fresh onion and garlic. I like to use a food processor, but I didn't have it on hand. And if you don't have a food processor and you don't like finely chopping up onion and garlic because it makes your eyes water, just use this thing. I don't know what it's called in English, but it's like a shredder and it works fantastic. And there is the first fill, the potato fill. Let's go on to the next one. The next one is going to be Burek, or ground beef fill, or Pita s mesom. I use ground beef. You can use any type of ground meat you like. Sometimes I even like to use ground chicken. It's actually really good. So here's that food processor. I food processed up my onion and garlic, and I made it into this mushy consistency. And then I'm going to add this Podravka font mix. It's very good. There's that vegeta, a little bit of pepper and salt, and a little bit of oil, and I'm just going to combine it all together until it's very well combined. You could do whatever you like. Again, this is something that you and your family will be eating, but this is what I typically do. Last but not least, we have Sirnica, or cheese pie, and this is how I make my cheese fill. I take a little bit of feta, again measure with your heart. It all depends on how much you're using as well to fill up the pies. I usually use 3 eggs, and now I'm just scooping in some cottage cheese. I put a little bit of salt, and I'm just gonna mix it all together, and that's the most easiest way to make this, and it's very good and very delicious. And there is the final product. If you want to learn how to make the dough or the core, click on the YouTube video right there on the right hand corner, and you can watch that as well. There is the final product. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.